Hey guys, I'm just gonna explain my day. Ellie! What are you doing? Anyways, so tonight I'm excited because we're gonna have like a fire and we're gonna have s'mores. And my dog just came up here, so my socks are probably gonna be a little muddy. But yeah, we're having a fire and we're gonna have s'mores and probably go in the hot tub. And I was gonna go roller skating, but Avery doesn't get out after school till like 5:30, and I don't know when the roller skating is or who the adult is gonna be there, so I probably can't go. But yeah, it's Friday currently, obviously. My brother just got on here. Carson, say hi.
Hello? Hi.
Annoying rat. Annoying rat. Ugly rat. Annoying rat.